Hello, welcome. Now we're going to start making graphs. So to make graphs, we're going to use a program called matplotlib.pyplot. We're going to import this a little bit different. We're going to say import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. Now there's different conventions, but typically when you do this, you import it as PLT, and then whenever you want to reference it, you say PLT dot something. So now what we want to do is, let's start with something basic. We're going to have a list of X values. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're going to have a list of Y values, say 20, 23, 29, 25, and let's say 40. And then we're going to do plt.plot x, y, and plt.show. So this, when we run it, I'll just call this graphs. You can see a graph pop up. Oop, where was it at? Figure 1. You can see this graph pop up. It looks real nice. It has an X and Y axis already scaled out, and you can see that goes from the point 120 here, then goes to 223, 329, 4, what was that, 25, and then 5, 40, and then our graph is done. Now, if we do this on Trinket, I'll just copy this real quick, bring it over to Trinket just so you can see what it will look like. When I run this, now it just has it on the right side. Now, it works in both things just fine. In Thonny, it opens up a new window. In Trinket, it just shows it on the right side. So now we can play around with the different numbers and see what it does.